Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It is well, not vlog, it's unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing this. It is by Fingerboards. I can't really tell if it's on here or not, but Fingerboards. And yeah, I came prepared. I got my knife. If I can get it out. Okay, here we go. I've been, as you can see, 2-day mail. I needed to get this. I'm like, cannot wait. I ordered 2 things, and I think they're both in here because it's kind of heavy. Jeez, if I could ever get this open. Jeez. Ooh, I feel some foam. Okay, there we go. Some foam. Oh, we got some stickers. All right. Here, I'll put this aside. Alright, so we got this event, I don't know, fingerboarding prohibited or no fingerboarding sticker, whatever you would like to call it. Another one of those, these, and fingerboard. And that's at the top. And the first thing is made out of, I think, metal or carbon fiber. It's a parking curb. I did not order this. Did not know why it came. I did not order this. Okay, so that's one thing I did not order. Next thing I picked out was this wax. I did order this. Finger skate wax. It's actually pretty good. 1 second. We got some just standard tape. Okay, and then, ooh, here. You can see it. No, just kind of ripped it, but okay. I got this flannel deck. It is awesome. I got that with, some more stickers. And this. Oh, this is fly out. Oh yes, 2 things. So we got these trucks, silver, normal trucks, and then these finger skate, said to be urethane wheels. Saying to the big thing, biggest thing I've been waiting for. Here after the newspaper, that's kind of funny. I kind of like that. And that's it. Okay. So, here, open this. I'm waiting forever. This concrete ledge. Here, I'll just grab one of my favorites here. That's like butter. Butter. Oh my! I've never had a ledge this good, guys. Just to tell you, I've never had a ledge that made out of concrete and it's this good. Holy, this is the best ledge I've ever had. Wow. That's great. Okay, so if you're trying to look for a ledge or whatever, just trying to look for something that you want to grind on, definitely hit up Finger Skate. They make super good ledges. I like this stair, and it comes with a free thing of wax. So totally get that. Whoa, yeah, this is definitely the thing that was heavy. This is awesome. I'm still gonna set up this deck and try it out. Seems like a really good deck. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe. Peace out.